What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about underbelly protection for the 2024 Toyota Tacoma. So this is our TRD off-road in the long bed version, and we just installed the RCI skid plates. We have the engine, transmission, and TK's skid currently, and we opted for the steel option since that provides more protection. It is a 3/16 steel and it is powder coated black just to kind of fade away and not really pop much for the underneath protection, but it provides a ton of protection. It's super thick, and RCI has been in business so long that we've pretty much have been running RCI since the day that we opened Rent for Tacos. So we've been working with them for a long time, and they are one of the best companies out there when it comes to skid plates. So RCI makes a ton of protection for pretty much all the vehicles out there. Toyota obviously being one of them, and we've ran those on our previous 3rd gen Tacoma and now on our 4th gen Tacoma as well. The install on the skid plates have gotten easier actually, and when we were installing this, we didn't realize how quickly it was going to take to install these. We planned out pretty much half a day to install skid plates, and it took, I think, 45 minutes for everything. Super easy install. They use carriage bolts and factory holes to install everything, so it was a breeze to get this installed. So if the heavy steel is something that you're not really interested, they also offer an aluminum version as well. It's a 1/4 inch thick aluminum, so a little bit thicker than steel, but since it is aluminum, they had to go up a size just to really help with the rigidity and strength if you were actually going to use your skids to come down with the weight of the vehicle on it. So there's that. They also offer it in raw, so if you wanted just the raw aluminum color, you can get that as well instead of the powder coat. But I do like the powder coat. It just makes everything look polished and finished. But the other thing is that it has access holes for changing your oil, and even if you don't do it yourself, the dealership or wherever you take your vehicle to will appreciate that. But that is going to be it for this video. We will have a product linked down in the description if you wanted to check that out. And we'll have some more information down there, so if you wanted to research and do some more reading on it, we'll have it down there as well. But if you are new here and are not subscribed to the channel, please do so, and we'll see you guys in another video.